Alright guys, this is friend Joey, and let's get the bird out here. Uncage the bird. Alright, I'm going to show you all the ways here. Knight c6, on move 2 for them, move 3, we will play d4. And I have a bunch of evil stuff cooked up against this inside of my memory. So e3 is always a component of this. You know, it's just the way we do it. e3. And now the bishop commitment. So they try to be a thorn in our side. On the light squares, the hole on the e4 square, and when they thorn, we pin. We pin the knight on c6 with the bishop on f1. Boom. Bishop b5. Move 5. So this is just kind of some parts of the way I memorize these lines. Okay, now c4 is played here because we want to hit the queen with the pawn advance c5, and it's just a harmonic play. See where they're going with the queen. Queen d7, then we got f3 to e5. And then queen e7 blocks their own bishop, so they've lost some progress. And even now, we can play the knight here. So they're technically lost, which is good for us. We knew the keys to the opening, and actually, I've played this exact sequence before. So, I know how to beat two knight c6 when they play d5 on move 1 and then 2 knight c6. It's just spiral that we do. So now they're facing a material deficit of 3 points via the universal way of counting material. So I could throw the check, or I can play the queen out. I'll play the queen out here, and this is an opening success for me. I'm very, very, very pleased with the way that this went. You guys see how well it went. So now this attack is not even intuitive. Like Capablanca would say, it just flows by itself. We have an unstoppable force here. See, the bird is an underrated opening, and I give it 5 stars. That's my complete endorsement. Thank you for watching. This was Joe B. Peace out.